Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. This is Marissa. I am on today to do a little walkthrough of this fun little pocket like journal folio I created. I was like hooked on making this book super fast because I saw that Ingrid from Karatootie here on YouTube as well as Instagram came out with a really fun and very vintagey Christmas digital collection called Deck the Halls. And so I jumped and got it because it's on sale. I don't know how long it's going to go on, but I'll link it in the description box. And it just comes with tons of like papers and like really pretty images for cut aparts, and she's created her own wording, like these little strips here. And then this one's really cool and it comes in different colors. And I just, oh my gosh, look at this rose paper. I've yet to play with this one. I have an idea, but and then I accidentally turned off my computer and I wasn't aware that my printing wasn't done. So I only got one tag. So now I gotta go back and print the rest. But look at how pretty this paper is. And then I do have some other collections. Like this one is from Bobby from the French Door Studio. I'll link it in the description box. It is so cute. It's like retro, but I'm gonna have another project with that. And then I also picked up PixieDustFiles. I think it's a Vintage Christmas is the one I picked up, which I use for the book, so I don't have anything on the side. And then I have a few others that I don't know who they're. Oh, my porch prints. I use some of theirs. And then this is from Die Cuts with the View, which I didn't end up using. And then I also used what is it? Iralamija on Etsy as well. I used some of her stuff that I've had in my collection already that I picked up. And then I used paper from my Mind's Eye. It's like this vintage Christmas that I bought off of the stash. Or maybe I got it on Tuesday morning. I can't remember. Anyways, I just pulled a couple sheets and you can see them here. This is like the cover. And I used the Santa paper. This here is from Ingrid's digital collection. Anyways, I just made it really simple kind of tie. Ooh, come on now. I'm using a fabric strip that I tore. Oh, and this ribbon, it was so expensive. It was 10 bucks, but it's from I have it right here. I didn't pay attention. Cotton velvet ribbon. Oh my gosh, it's only 3 yards. It was 10 bucks, like I said, but a 25% discount. So I'm using it very sparingly, but I thought it'd be cool to add there. I did use some washi tape from Tim Holtz. Anyways, it opens up and I created a little booklet and some tuck spots. The booklet's made using PixieDustFiles, the junk journal. It's like a traveler's notebook kind of style, but let's jump in real quick. So this right here is just a little tag that actually opens up and you can put photos in there. And this is using Ingrid's paper. The background paper is this paper here, and it's from my Mind's Eye, sorry. And then I made a little montage here. This tag comes from one of Ingrid's papers that I cut apart, and then these are also from her collection. I just cut them apart and added them there, and I love this little postage like envelope image. Oh my god, I used it as a belly band and I added this, which I believe also comes from hers, or it might be, I can't remember. Yeah, I think it's hers. Anyways, I made it like a little journaling spot, and then I added some stickers, and this is her wording tags that she made, the trees, and then I added some Heidi Swap stamps there. I thought it'd be fun to do. And then in the background, I put, I trimmed this with the scalloped and then added this Santa. I love him. He's so cute. On this one, I just left it as, I added this little sticker, but I just love the way it looks. I did do some inking. You can't really tell, but I did a little watercolor inking. On this page, this is all one page right here. This is just a flap I added. This is all one page, and it is part of the PixieDustFile collections, and I added some washi tape. This is from Iralamija. They're called like Christmas strip collage or something like that. I'll link it in the description box. And I loved the idea of adding it in there, kind of like a journaling spot on the back, you know. But I added some stickers. I use this sticker from, I think it's a knockoff version of Stamperia, but I found it on AliExpress and their stickers, and so I just cut the white part around it. I thought there was ephemera, but they're actually stickers. And because I'm hoarding the actual Stamperia collection, it's so beautiful. I don't want to use it. horrible. Anyways, I created this pocket here, this flap with the pocket using Ingrid's paper that she has. I shrunk it down a little bit. I don't know why I was thinking that, but I shrunk these down to 80%, and that's why they're smaller. If not, they would have been like, you know, the 8.5 by 11, but I shrunk them down. So I just, oh my gosh, I love the way it looks. I think it's like 9 by like, oh gosh, I want to say 6 or 7. Like, it's not even that long. Anyways, the pocket, I did add a little tag there. I used some of the images from Ingrid's collection and some stamping. And then here I created a little fun vignette there with the little postcard image, which I can't remember. I think that one was called like Vintage by Me. I'll see where it comes. And then I did some stamping with Heidi Swap stamps right here. This is all her newest stamps that came out this year. I just love the way they look there. And then I added this large round paper clip with another one of Ingrid's postcard images. And then I added her number there with some fabric. And then I have found this sticker in that pack and thought it'd be cool just to put it there. Because this paper is from Ingrid's collection. And I thought it just looks all good collage like that. I don't want to cut it apart. So I did that. Let's put that back there. Okay, maybe later. Put that aside. And then what I did was I glued this. This is one page here, and then I glued this here. So this right here is all one page. And what I did for this pocket, I actually cut a hole through here, and when I made the pocket, I pushed it in through there and glued to this back side here. And so this paper here got cut down the middle, and I glued one here, and then I glued this side over here. Because if not, it would have just all been one sheet, but it would have been short on this side or the other side, depending when I glued it around. So I decided just to back it so you can see kind of here like the opening of that pocket. Because I did leave it open so that the tag would slide out. And I used Ingrid's newest paper. So cute. I haven't added anything. I don't think I'm going to add anything. I think I want to leave it blank so that, you know, you can add your own. And then I did make a little tuck spot pocket, and I added this with some of the leftover paper. I made another one, and I love this. So cute, those tags. And I did shrink them down, so that's why they're a bit smaller. But she does have a larger size in that image. And then I added one of Heidi Swap stamps down there and up here. And this is a Tim Holtz cut apart and his washi tape. And then I have this 12 by 12 sticker paper, not paper, but just a sticker sheet from Authentique. And I just thought it'd be cute to make this one a little like charm looking type of dangle there with some cotton twine. And then this I made, oh my gosh, I love it. The little image with the people in the snowman, that's from Ingrid's collection, and the numbers are from this set here. And then I added this velvet ribbon that I found at Joann's. I got it at Joann's. I love it. And it's 50% off right now, so I'm going to go back and see if they have more because I really want the green and some more of the pink. And then I added this image here, which I didn't realize I put it there too. And then this is another image I cut out and put here. This one I think is from the design team I was on a couple years ago, Ephemoirê. I'll link that one in the description box too, because she has a set of like vintage Santas, and you can just print them and cut them up, which I think is so awesome. And here I just kind of added this down, like it's one of the collage strips from Iralamija, and I added this fun Target sticker that I've had forever. And then I created a little belly band. I think I'm going to print out one of those tags though, because it didn't print out all the way. What did I do with it? Like this one, and then just cut it down a little bit, and I think I'm going to slide it there. I think it'll be so cute because she has some that are like Christmas colors, so I think I'm going to do that. And I just added a few stickers there. And then the back side, oh my gosh, it's a tag. It's a gift tag, but I have been hoarding these for years, like a good solid 6 to 7 years. They still sell them, but I like to hoard them. And it's from Oh my gosh, I can't even remember. They're pretty expensive. They're like $16. Oh, Cavallini and Company. I'm sure some of you guys have seen them. I picked these up in San Francisco, but they sell them online, but they're like super expensive. It's like 16, anywhere between like 16 to 23, depending on the shop, because some shops really do crank the price up. But when I was in San Francisco one year, years ago, this was prior to like COVID, pre-COVID. Um, they had them at the oh, what's the San Francisco, what is it called? The clam chowder place there on the pier. Inside the shop, they had all kinds of Christmas decor and stuff because we go see the Nutcracker in San Francisco. And so we were there and I picked that up and I was just like, oh my gosh. Anyways, Nice and Naughty a list I thought would be so cute to add there because it had the little, you know, banner, and my wordings were kind of off a little bit, but oh wow. And then this is a new Sarah Bargo stamp I just got. It is so cute. The letters are adorable. It's this set here. It's called the Gas Station Letter. So it has a little bit of edging kind of, and I thought it'd be cute. And then I just also got her a November stamp. I am doing a project with every single month that stamp set she comes out with. And then this is from, I don't even know where I picked this stamp up. I've just had it in my, it was a D-stash, and it came with some Christmas word stuff that had like the naughty or nice list as well. And I thought it'd be cute to add that down there. And then I added some washi tape here. I doubled it up though, so because there's gold in this other one here. And that is it, you guys. And then the back, of course. Just so cool. Anyways, I'll link all this stuff in the description box so you guys can go check them out if you like. And I am gonna see if I can create another one but actually record it, because this was just kind of like a make it as fast as I could because I wanted to play with these papers. Anyways, thank you so much for watching, and I appreciate you guys stopping by, and have a great day. Bye.